We have a GE Cafe induction cooktop just installed. We got an F75 error. I went to the GE website. It said to try turning off the circuit breaker for 30 seconds and then back on. We did that and now it's completely dead.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's about a month old. CHP 9536 SJSS.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's simply simple.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It was working fine yesterday. I had a roasting pan on top of it, but it wasn't on. That's when I saw the F75 error.
Hello, I am Jason, a GE auth servicer. Let me look up that model, be back shortly. Okay, I have it up, are you there? The F76 fault code states user interface key stuck. If after cleaning the user interface, buttons, and power cycling unit the error returns, the UI board will have to be replaced. Have you tried cleaning it? F75, sorry, typo there.
You want me to clean the user interface surfaces, then pop the breaker again and see if it works. Otherwise the unit is dead. Is that correct?
Yes, according to the service manual. If neither cleaning and resetting breaker, then it would be a user interface board. This would be covered under the GE 12-month warranty. Please let me know how it goes.
Yeah, nada.
You will want to contact GE Warranty at 1 to set up a warranty service with them. Have I answered all your questions today? If so, have I provided a 5-star service to you? If not, what more can I do to earn it?
Thank you.
Thank you, have a great evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.